Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can enable mobile hotspot on your Windows system on Windows 11. So how you can do that? First of all, open the settings or search the settings. Okay, settings. When you search the settings, the icon will appear. So open this icon. When you open the icon, you can see lots of settings. In the left hand side, you can see network and internet. Okay, so click on it and you can see there are lots of setting here, but we need this setting. Okay, mobile hotspot, say your internet connection. Okay, so this one. Okay, so click on it. When you click on it, you can see there are some information here. Okay, so the hotspot name will be Raj laptop 5676. Okay, this is the password, and here we have a QR code. Okay, so we have to turn on from here. When we turn on, the hotspot will turn on. Okay, so we can connect from our mobile. Okay, so first of all we have to turn on the hotspot. Okay, so let's turn on the hotspot. Let's turn on. Okay, now the hotspot is turned on. Now we have to, I'll show you from in my mobile, so how we can do that. Okay, so the screen is on now. Okay, so we use QR code. Okay, so when we use QR code, it will connect. Okay, so now you can see the hotspot is connected. Okay, this um, now we have to just check our internet is working or not. Okay, so internet is working properly, I think so. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon